केंद्रीय प्रकल्पा अंतर्गत जर गोंयच्या न्हंयांचें राष्ट्रीयकरण केल्यार गोंयच्या रापणकार समाजाक मार बसतलो. ही भिरांत व्यक्त करपाक शेनवारा भारत मुक्ती मोर्चान पत्रकार परिशद आयोजीत केल्ली. आरडीएक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Acquisition of land on river bank and use of river as highway. The National Inland Waterways status for Goa's 6 rivers and Sagarmala project is a death warrant to fishermen and ecology of Goa through dredging and new jetty constructions. Further, Goa government and central government with corporate nexus have colluded to shift Goa's jurisdiction at National Green Tribunal (NGT) bench from Pune to Delhi. All these three combined, coupled with states' attempt to acquire land for corporate benefits, makes Goa a colony marked for massive, intolerable abuse of people and ecology. Nearly 200 years ago, on the 1st of January 1818, 500 Indian Mahars soldiers in British Army pulled down the rule of Peshwai in Pune. BMM infers that this memory is the reason India and Goa government has shifted NGT's jurisdiction to Delhi, lest it becomes inspiration for Goans to revolt. All this because anti-environment projects are getting stalled. This is cheating. This action will be continuously opposed by the fishermen and others like Maoris did in New Zealand. Goans who are travelling by bus, the Goans who have to take care of their home needs, they find it very difficult. So it's better that we have it in Pune or have it more better in Goa.
So there is no, they are saying that Goa is not having space for a circuit bench in Goa for NGT.
We will not agree because there is place for everything in Goa when it comes to the people of Goa.
जी आमची सबसिडी जे ट्रेडिशनल फिशरमॅन आसा तेची सबसिडी आयज वाडोवन दवरलेली आसा. जेन्ना आमी डिपार्टमेंटान वयता तेन्ना सांगता आमी गव्हर्मेंटान पयशे सांगता. तुमी जाणा आसतले गव्हर्मेंट प्रायवेट गजाच्या आजकालांनी रोड्साचे प्रोजेक्ट घेवन काम करता आनी फक्त आमकां फिशरमॅनाक 100 कोटी जाय पडटा वर्साक. तितून 2 कोटी दिला गव्हर्मेंटान 4 करोड जाय आमकां ते सबसिडी रिलीज करपाक. आनी मागता म्हणून मिनिस्टराक सांगून ह्या म्हयन्याक दिवपाक, कित्याक ही सबसिडी दिल्या उपरांत खूब लोकांक गरीब लोकांक आदार जाता. आनी जेन्ना आमचे 2 म्हयने बॅन आसताले जून जुलय त्या टायमार आमकां एक गरज पयशांची आनी आजुनूय पयशे आमकां मेळूंक ना. परतचे जायते भुरगे इस्कॉलाक एडमिशनाक जावं दुसऱ्या कामाक हे पयशे जाताले. आयज त्या पयशांक